Hey, it's Joey with Imzz Elite. We're back in the shop today. We're gonna throw some bagger rear crash bars on this 2020 Road Glide. Let's get right to it. We got our crash bars, we got the parts you're gonna need, the tools you're gonna need. All right, we got a ratchet, T45 Torx socket or Torx wrench, T40 Torx socket or Torx wrench. You also got a 9/16 wrench, a 1/2 inch wrench, and a 5/16 wrench if you're running the Imzz Elite seat bolt. Go ahead and flip the lid open on that saddlebag and take those two quick disconnect bolts, spin them out and remove your saddlebag. After you remove your saddlebag, you're going to want to pop that side cover off. It doesn't matter which side you start on first. After you've removed the side cover, that'll give you access to that forward button head Torx bolt. You can take a T45 and a 9/16 wrench, preferably a ratchet wrench, and go ahead and break that button head bolt loose on that forward mount, and just until it's finger tight, but don't take the nut all the way off. Then you're going to move to the back, and your first bolt you have is going to also be a T45 button head along with a 9/16 wrench. Again, a ratchet wrench is going to be the best. Remove that bolt all the way until finger tight, but don't remove it. You'll see why. If you remove those, the whole stock bag rail will just fall off. Then you're going to switch Torx to a T40 and a 1/2 inch wrench, and you're going to get that inner mounting bolt for those stock bag rails. Once you've removed all your factory hardware and the bag rails are removed, you're just going to go ahead and set that aside. You're going to want to remove your seat, take your 5/16 12-point socket, wrench, ratchet wrench. After you remove your Imzz Elite seat bolt, you're going to go ahead and pop your seat off. We're going to go ahead and grab our Imzz Elite bagger rear crash bar. You'll notice that if you match up your mounting locations, you're going to have one new one under the seat. But there's also a factory bolt located there. You're going to take your T45, back that out, and after you've removed it, your Imzz Elite bagger rear crash bar will fit in the frame mounting position. You're going to take that T45 bolt that you just removed, put it back in its location under the seat, and you'll see that what was your forward mounting location on the stock is now your mid mounting location on the Imzz Elite bagger rear crash bar. And you're going to go ahead and utilize all your stock hardware for this install. Go ahead and put all the stock hardware back in the original locations. Once you've torqued everything down, you're going to go ahead and reinstall your seat reinstall that 1/4 20 ARP bolt, the 5/16 wrench or ratchet, and you're ready to rip.